Hello, this is a MTD, I think it's just MTD straight. I don't think they have a sub-manufacturer, like yard machine or anything. I think it's just MTD straight. Old guy took off all the main stickers, so you can see, put all the new ones on there. But very mint machine, guy used for about 2 years, and then I think the solenoid went out and he let it sit for about a decade. Got it going again. New carburetor, fuel lines, cleaned out the gas tank, oil change, deck belt, drive belt are in good condition, new battery. As you can see, 714 on there. Oh, it's kind of scratched in there from Fleet Farm, but blades are basically new. I didn't have to even sharpen them. You can see 13.5 horsepower, very clean motor. I used to use the engager, deck height, throttle, and then this has a shift on the go system, which means this pedal controls speed. As your foot goes back, it goes faster, and all the way in is park. This lever just controls how far your foot can go back, basically. That's it. So when it's all the way up, that's just, when you're mowing, you just leave that lever all the way up, and you can just sit there and move your foot back and forth like you're driving a car. But let's get this thing going. And then, like I said, just push that lever down and that puts it in a brake position. Got the neutral. If I didn't mention this before, it's a 2006. Forget where the tag is, but somewhere I figured it out. I'm not sure if the lights work, but it's clean. So, without further ado, I think that's it. If you have any questions, put a comment down. Other than that, have a good day.